Hi, our Data Plus group is working with the Duke women's soccer team to help provide quantitative insights about Duke's team and women's college soccer. Using event-level data, we were tasked with providing actionable insights to the coaching staff. Here we are displaying the dashboard we built, which is available to Duke coaches and players. Our dashboard is separated into different tabs: team analysis, player analysis, post-match analysis, and customizable graphs. Within the team analysis, we are analyzing Duke's performance over the 2022 season. First, we have Radar Plots displaying Duke's attacking metrics compared to the Power 5 average and how opponents performed against Duke compared to the Power 5 average. This can give us an idea of a team's style of play and what they like to do. Next, we showed which teams are most similar to Duke. In order to find similar teams, we reduced all team stats down to their principal components and calculated the distances between teams in the two-dimensional principal component space. In this case, Notre Dame was the most similar ACC team to Duke. We also have more basic visuals such as heat maps of passing and other actions throughout the season. Over here, this plot illustrates Duke's top 20 non-shooting vape actions over the 2022 season. VAPE, which stands for Valuing Actions by Estimating Probability, is a way to assign value to an action based on how much an action increases the chance of scoring a goal and decreases the chance of conceding a goal in the next 3 actions. Using this, we can see that Duke is especially good at crossing from the left side. We also have the passing network for the team, in which the nodes are players and the edges are weighted by total passes. In addition, we can see the network weighted by total VAPE or total X threat instead. Expected threat is a metric that quantifies how effectively an action progresses the ball. Using this, we can determine players that are central to the team using network centrality measures over here. Lastly, we look at overall player contribution to the team using X threat and VAPE to see which players progress the ball most effectively and which players add the most to scoring and not conceding a goal. Moving on to the Player tab, we have many similar visuals to quantify player performance, in this case for Michelle Cooper. The player's radar plot is customizable for any chosen stats so that the stats can be changed depending on the player's position. We can see here that Cooper is much better than the average Power 5 player for her position in all the selected metrics. The rest of the visuals in this tab are similar to those in the Team tab displayed previously. In addition to the team and player analysis, there is a tab for analyzing Duke's performance against their opponents, such as their match against South Carolina in the 2022 season. For the match simulation tab, the expected goal of each shot, which is the chance of scoring from a specific shot, serves as the probability of the shot being counted as a goal in the simulation. The match is then simulated this way 10,000 times, and then we can find the probability of each scoreline and the probability of each team winning. We also have some visuals for team stats, passing networks, and player stats that are specific to this game. Finally, we have a section where it's possible to customize all the graphs seen previously for more specific analysis. Using this section, we built pre-match and post-match reports to provide tools for scouting opponents and quantifying Duke's performance in their games respectively. Thank you for listening.